Yeah, well, I mean, I don't know if you've seen the film, but yeah. So I kind of sneak into it in a little part. They've been keeping it very, very secret. So that's been challenging for me to know for the last 2 years that I'm in the film and not be able to breathe a word of it. That's been not the most fun thing I've ever had to do in my life. But no, it's delightful to be a part of this one, and delightful particularly in the way in which they brought my character back into the story. So I feel very happy that Marion kind of gets to have a little apostrophe at the end of her story. It's great. I mean, it's such a delightful thing to be in a film that has, I know people who are showing it to their great grandchildren now. So that's unusual. I've made a lot of films. I don't think that there's another film I've made that has this kind of legs, as you would call it. And, it's nothing but a wonderful thing when a film kind of captures people's hearts that way. So I'm appreciative, is what I am. Yeah. It's a wild, constantly moving story. And I think that everybody is, getting ready to go on a wild ride with the film. It's filled with like wonderful kind of twists and turns.